Hey everyone, here's Aditi. Hope you all are safe and having an amazing day. So, in this video, I'm gonna do a science experiment. For that, we will need one bowl of cold water, one bowl of hot warm water, and one big bowl of normal water. So, the question is, how will you show that your sense of touch is not a reliable method to measure the temperature? Let's begin. So we will label cold water A, warm water B, and normal water C. So now put your left hand in bowl A and right hand in bowl B simultaneously. Keep your hands in two bowls for about 1 minute. Then remove both the hands and put them together in bowl C. Notice the feelings of your left and right hands about the hotness of the water in bowl C. The left hand feels that the water in bowl C is hot, whereas the right hand feels that the water in bowl C is cold. Thus, we cannot rely on our sense of touch. Hope you like this science experiment. This is part 1, and if you want part 2, then comment me in the comment section. And my giveaway is not yet finished, so you can also participate. Who will give me more and more subscribers that will get a super chance to win. So I will announce the winners on 200 subscribers. The link is in the description box. Till then, bye bye, take care and have a nice day.